Hi, hello, and welcome to AutopostingTools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the LinkedIn group and company scraper works. So first of all, we have this amazing tool that contains many modules. So far we have 110 modules. Um, the one that I'm going to show you is going to be in the LinkedIn modules and the LinkedIn group scraper. In this case, this is going to allow you to scrape groups and scrape companies. So first of all, you should have installed Firefox. So we can click on this button and it's going to open Firefox. This is using something called Selenium. So you need to have that in order to be able to run this. Now that we have this, we're going to type in our LinkedIn information. So whenever you use this, just type your LinkedIn information, and then you will be able to log in into the account. So you click this button, and this is going to go here, and it's going to log in for you. Okay. Now that you're logged in, what you should do is you should either select what you want to search for, either groups or either companies. So I'm going to be showing you both, but let's just do first groups, and then you just type here the keyword. What kind of groups do you want? In this case, let's say I want to find groups about printing or any kind of niche, and really it just depends on you what kind of groups you want, and then you click on navigate. This is going to navigate into the page here. Most of the time, I usually put it side by side this way, so I can just scroll down and show all the results. In this case, you had to scroll down on this page, so the code of the HTML it's form and it show you all the results. Finally, you just click the button for extract. This gets you the first 5 results. So you could do two things. You could go to the number 2 here and then click extract again, or you could just click page number 2 here and then navigate. This is going to navigate to the page here, and you just scroll down again, and then you extract more information. Now, as you can see, this is going to extract me the group name. So these are all the groups. It's going to extract me the group URL, and it's going to extract me the quantity of members, member quantity. So I'm just going to order this by the number of members, and the ones that doesn't have too many members, I might just remove them. Now, because I have selected groups, whenever I click browse and then I put my file name, it's going to save the Excel file with this information about the groups. Now, if I change this to search by companies, but let's just clear this. Then whenever I save the information here, it's going to save the company results, which will be on this side. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this company as well. So now let's say you wanted to look for something about computers or to any other kind of niche. So you select computers, you select that you want to search companies, you put the page number 1, and then you navigate to that. So as you can see, on this is going to navigate and it's going to look companies related to computers. So there is 31,000 companies. So you can just scroll now and then you click extract. This is going to get you the company name, it's going to get you the company URL, and it's going to get you the niche of that company, what is the company ID, and the image URL for that company, for the logo. Now, if you want more results, same as before, you go to page number 2. Let's just put it side by side. So same as before, you go to page number 2, you put it side by side, and you select this one. Now you put page number 2, click navigate. This is going to navigate to the second page, and then you just click extract. So you want page number 3, same thing. Page number 3, navigate. Just wait until it loads. Scroll down a little bit, and then extract. And that's how this module works. So this is going to get you all the group results for the group, so you could join them later. We're going to create a module where you will load your Excel file with all the groups, with all the URLs and the number of members. So you are able to automatically go to every single group and then logged in. So just to show you what is going to be happening, let's say that you go to navigate. This is going to navigate to this for the groups. Then you will go to extract. So as you know, you will join to the groups that has the most number of members. Then you will select the group, it's pen testing. So you come back, you copy the URL here, you copy that. Obviously the program is going to do everything automatically in the future. So it's going to go to the group, and then once you're on the group, the software is going to click ask to join. And then it's going to move to the next one. Same thing, it's going to copy this, and then it's going to go to ask to join. And then basically this way you will join to a lot of groups. Once you join, you will be able to comment on those groups and to see the members of those groups. So we're going to do as well a member scraper where you will be able to scrape all the groups, and you will be able to send them a message or to ask them to make a connection with you. Either way, they will be person interested on the niche that you're trying to target. So those will be very good leads for you to try to sell them anything, any service, any product that you may have. So, well, this is how it works. If you want to get it on outpostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.